Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy and this is the Glam Life with Stacy. So in today's video, I'll be going over my hair products. In my last vlog, I did a whole maintenance thing, like a glow up guide type of situation. I went and got my hair and nails done, and you guys got to see my natural hair for the very first time. And you guys had a lot of questions in the comments. Y'all want to know what I did, what I used, so on and so forth. Now, y'all know I wear wigs. I love wigs and I still be wearing my wigs. Y'all might be seeing me one soon because the weather is driving me crazy right now. And my hair is frizzing up a lot because it's been a lot of rain and it's getting humid. Summer's almost around the corner, so most likely I'll be back in the wigs. So, being that said, let's get right into the video. Now, you guys asked me how I take care of my hair under the wigs. Some say go ahead, get rid of the wigs, whatever have you. I got a lot of compliments. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. But how I do maintain my hair, I use a method called moisturize and seal. I don't know if you guys heard of it, but pretty much what you'll do when you wash your hair, you use a good moisturizer, and then you find a good oil and seal it. So let me just start with the conditioners that I use. I'm not a big product junkie, but I do have my staples and I kind of most likely stick to it. I don't do a whole lot of testing. I kind of stick to what I know and what works for my hair. What may work for my hair may not work for your hair, and everyone is different. So I'm just only sharing with you guys what I use, since you guys, kind of asked about it and want to know a little bit more. So I just said, let me do a follow-up video real quick. Oh, also, you guys been complimenting me on lavender. You guys love lavender on me, so I say, look, let me go ahead and wear lavender. This is actually a 3-piece outfit that I got from Amazon. I put it into the description section as well, also along with all the products that I purchased, because everything here you could get from Amazon. So I'll pop a picture up here of the outfit so you guys can see it. Also, I want to mention some edge control, but some products for edges growth that a doctor at my job recommended, and I'll share it with you. I haven't used it yet, but I'll use it, and I'll give you an update on that later on to see how it works. Also, another doctor at my job was a podiatry. Actually, the first doctor was a podiatry, but she takes care of her hair very well. But another podiatry at my job gave me some ideas, or pretty much not ideas, but just gave me some advice on foot care, because I'm on my feet a lot. And I've been crying about my feet being hurt and swollen and stuff like that. At the end of the day, I feel like I can't even walk on my feet. So she gave me some advice, and I'm going to share that with you, okay? So it's like a glow up from head to toe. This is the follow-up. And before I get into the products again, I want you to let y'all know the whole glow up guide thing I'm doing is really going to be like a bunch of how-to video, breaking down how to apply your makeup, just putting them in everything that I've done before in the past. I'm just going to be breaking it up into instant pieces, just so you guys could follow along, learn each piece at a time. And it's not about just the beauty on the outside. We're going to talk about health, on the inside, things of that nature. Like what I'm doing now, I'm sharing health tips with you, things that I know, advice that I've gotten, and I want to share with you. Anyways, so let me get started. Okay, first thing. This shampoo here, the Brazilian Keratin Therapy, my number one. As you can see, we crushed it. This is what me and my kids use, or my kids and I. Got the shampoo and the conditioner. As you can see, the bottle is gone, non-existent, because we use it and we love this product. And my daughter love how it smells. This is her favorite. So let's just say it's a family favorite. We love it, hands down. This is another one that we use. Shampoo and conditioner. You can see this shampoo. It's a shampoo, right? Yeah, we crushed that too. So this can 2 shea butter sulfate free cleansing cream shampoo. and the conditioner. Let them down. This is a brand that I really, really love. Like I said, I'm not a product junkie, but what I have is what I have, and what I use is what I use. And this is the Cantu Shea Butter Organ Eye Leave-In Conditioner. It's a repair cream. This is good. The only thing I don't like is about it. The smell is a little, you know, it's not bad, but I'm just not a fan of the smell, but it's good. And this is the leave-in conditioner cream for natural curls, coils, and wave. Soften and help prevent hair breakage. This one. So this is my main one. I think they changed the packaging. I think the packaging is normally a lighter color. I think it's like a lighter orange, or it might look something closer to this. Because when I picked this up, honestly, I thought it was this. But anyways, that's how it is. That's just how it goes. And the two product that I use, well, the two product that the doctor had advised me to use. She said it works great for her and her daughter. Is the, what's that? Aloe vera. Not sure you pronounce it. Aloe vera hair, face, and body. But this is the pumpkin seed oil and the rosemary oil. Try to put it there so you guys can see it, screenshot it, what have you. But I'll link it in the description as well. All right. So you guys can shop my storefront. So those two, I'll try them, give you a feedback on how it's working, what it did, whatever. The next thing again, another product that I like. This is my favorite, heat protector spray. It's called the Beyond the Zone. Turn up the heat for flat iron protection, but I also use it when blow drying my hair and my daughter's hair. And when I went to the salon the other day, this is all they had. So I was right on the money. I was ahead of the game. And the next one is Nexus Prep and Protect Heat Defense Spray. This one comes off more as a water base and it's a little bit thicker. So this one you can use after you wash your hair. But for instance, if I want to go in and just do my hair like it is now, if I just want to flat iron it, I'll use this one. So the way how the moisturize and seal thing goes, how I do it. After washing my hair, I'm gonna put, I forgot to have one more item I need to share with you. One more item. 1 second. The Dual Grow Anti-Itch Oil Care. Look at this. Simple, right? You go to the beauty supply store and you find this. Easy peasy. I don't make it complicated. I just use the simple stuff. Stuff that you probably already have in your house. So I use that. So anyway, the Cantu cream after you wash your hair, so on and so forth. Once you dry it with your hand, like with a towel, and your hair is damp, you're going to take this, you're going to rub it through your hair. That's your moisturizing. This here is your oil. I necessarily don't put it in the scalp because I don't want to burn, especially for the kids. I don't want to burn their scalp. I don't want them screaming and crying because you don't want the hot iron burning their scalp. But what you can do is put it in under your hand and rub it. Rub it. Just rub it through. So yeah, then after that, no, you do this and you blow dry. Simple. I get my sister-in-law to curl my hair down and I put my wigs on. And that's how I do it. Nothing complicated, guys. My thing is just protect your hair under your wig. Not a lot of manipulation. I had someone told me that the hair likes to be manipulated. There was the hairstylist. I know they meant well, but as of me, I feel like just leave it alone. Don't touch the hair, don't bother it. My hair don't like to be bothered. You just leave it alone. I do what I gotta do with it, cornrow it, and just put it under the wigs. Or if I'm switching out, or you know, if I'm taking it off at nighttime, you know, so you still grease your hair, and you could even still use a moisturizer even when your hair is cornrow. You just put it in your hand and you just rub it through the cornrows, and then you got this. You go through each cornrow. That's pretty much it, guys. No big secret. And you know, don't put a lot of heat in your hair. Right now for me it's a struggle, but I really was trying not to put no heat in my hair. I've been trying, but you know, it's tempting. So I got, every time I put heat in my hair, I have to really get on my flat iron, because it's been raining, the hair's getting frizzy, it's also humid, so I have to, like, you know, I gotta do it, as I'm gonna look poofy. It gets frizzy. So but for the most part, I've wrapped my hair, pull it out. Y'all, I've been, if y'all want to call it ratchet or ghetto, for the past couple of days when it was just raining like crazy, I left out the house with a scarf on my head. I left out the house with a scarf on my head, and when I got to work, I took it off and brush it, comb it down, comb it out, and I did the same thing going back into my car going home, because I didn't care. But yeah, you know, the stylist was like, pretty much saying that, you know, your hair likes to be manipulated. I say your scalp like to be manipulated, like to probably be, you know, be massaged and so on and so forth. But too much manipulation with the hair is not good. Just leave it alone. That works for me. That might not work for everybody, you know. I'm just telling you what works for me. Okay, so the next thing I want to share with you all is compression socks. So this is what the other podiatrist referred to me. Some good old compression socks. She said to get the men one. I know it gives grandma vibes, or maybe at this point grandpa vibes, but you thank me later. You won't have grandma legs. This will help you with your circulation. You won't get those it keeps away those varicose veins, or keep them at the minimum, or keep them at bay. You know, I may not say it right for everybody, but at least I know it help. And this will help your feet. Okay. They do have some pretty one. I could share them right here. It's on Amazon as well. They do have some pretty one. I'm planning to get some pretty one, but this has been helping me though. Like, honestly, it helps as long as you have some good shoes, some comfortable shoes. Cause them flows are hard. I gotta be standing on my feet, running up and down them hallways now. And we got some kids. Sometimes I gotta be chasing after kids. Y'all don't y'all don't know half of what I gotta go through in my little job. But being in the healthcare, it's not for the weak. You go through all kinds of stuff, child. But that, and another item that I know that I use for my feet is the O'Keefe's for healthy feet. I know my bottle is a little beat up. Let me show you this way, because this one looks bad right here. And it's like, the consistency is really thick. I've been using this. It's good, and I really like it. So this will help your feet. Wear your compression socks. It will help you keep your feet nice, sexy, and pretty. Well, if your feet is already pretty. But if it's not, I can't help you with that part. But to keep him sexy, yeah. So yeah, to look good is to feel good, and to feel good is to look good. Yo, again, maybe. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you found, you know, everything that I've mentioned helpful. Yeah, so you could give them a shot. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye, Glam Squad.